Hi, I'm Zoe, and this is my sister Ray, and we will be removing the front suspension.
But first, we have to get the car up and take off all the wheels.
Yep.
But first, we're going to loosen the wheels before we get it up in the air.
All right, so the easiest way is downward pressure.
Downward pressure. So,
Okay. You're just going to loosen each one. That's good. You don't want the wheels to fall off. Don't worry. Here, bring it up some more. Then put your body weight on. Not stand on it, but just push down. There you go. Yeah.
my sister wants to try, so we're going to let her try. Put it right here. Is it in? No.
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 Here, spin it back around.
Right here.
Right there. And put. Make sure that's on there. Push down, Ray.
Sure.
Good job, dude.
Got it. Ready? There you go.
Good job. All right, next one.
Nope.
Oh, remember, you want it to. Right there.
Right there.
Push down.
Nope, push down. Come on. You got it. Yeah. Want help? That's good.
You need help?
Oh, that's gonna break.
That body weight on there. Right, let me try.
It's like actually. There you go.
Nope.
Oh.
We lost it. All right, Ray, you try this one, okay? Good job, dude.
Yeah, that's good. Go.
Good job, Ray. All right, next one.
Wait, are you Batman now?
Oh, what'd I do?
You were like, good job, Ray.
Dang, girl.
That's
The muscles.
It's right down your knee.
All right. Oh, that looks loose. All right, cool. Here's that. Everybody see this tube? Not quite. Go real high. Just lift straight up.
I'm trying. What was that?
I'll go a little higher.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. notches are you showing?
3.
Good girl. Yeah.
This is an arm workout.
Can I try?
Maybe on the other side, Ray.
Okay.
I really don't understand. Ray, you want to try? Come here. That's my hair.
Ow.
I'll hit your head.
Oh.
Yeah, hold that up for her.
Let me see.
Where'd it go?
It's right here. This one.
Okay.
You put it on that one.
Oh, I can't. It's too short.
No, you got it. No, don't do that. Pull it back. See, you go like this.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
What did you do?
No, don't.
It won't. Oh.
Good job, Ray.
Push.
Oh, okay. Got
No, hold on.
supposed to be.
Okay, give it to me. Like that.
No, I can do it easier if you move.
Yeah, you hold the socket in place and then you can do the ratchet.
Go. Go. I can't see anything, so I don't know. There it is. Go. Go.
Hold on.
This is why it's going to take 2 years to build it.
Yeah. You got it. Yeah.
Go, girl, go. Girl power.
Hours later.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Get it. Get it. Yeah.
Moment. If I just turn. Oh, I got it.
Nice, dude. Right when I was reaching down the hill.
It's always this one. The inner one. That's the struggle. Oh, there's another bird's nest down here. It's like in this thing.
What's cool about this wrench is I can just twist the back
Oh, really?
and it ratchets for me.
Ooh.
I bought this
Fancy.
thing like 20 something years ago. I love it.
Fancy. Not cool.
Quite the shoulder work. No, I'm just gonna say.
Hmm?
I said it's quite the shoulder workout. No, I'm just gonna say.
Real.
How's my knuckle? I don't need that.
Nope. Oh,
Oh, I love that.
that's beautiful. Bro literally said, no, not today.
Yeah, this thing's pretty old, so it's a little warbly.
Just a bit. We love our safety, guys.
In case it drops.
Go. Woo!
Nice. That was almost my board. Nice. I'll see this side. You stand here. I'll stand way over here.
So you don't get murdered,
Oh, you know what? Go ahead and move this.
decapitation. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. I'll protect it with my body. Go right there. Stand back. Got it.
Woo. Yay.
OSHA approved.
OSHA approved, guys. OSHA approved. Thank you for watching, and in the next episode, we will strip and clean the engine bay.